No, not yet. Justice, do you want to go on a ride? Okay. Ready? First we go up, and then the chair goes. Whoa!
Justice, what are you calculating over there on that calculator?
Oh, you're gonna recline? I didn't know it reclined. Yeah.
She's doing that herself.
Yes. You're gonna dump yourself out of the chair if you're not careful.
Back to my calculations. E equals MC squared.
Hello? Bring, bring. She says hello first. Who's calling? Who's calling us?
Guys, I need a text on this calculator real quick to Elmo.
Hello?
Well, let me take a call on this remote for the recliner.